welcome back to our channel. Oh my god, sounds like a douche. Hey guys, welcome back to our... Hey! What's it called?
Cock?
Yes. Oh, there's Sophie. Sophie needs a haircut. We're like, Gary!
How do I know how far it's getting? Like, is it recording all the way over here?
Uh-huh. How do I know? There is a TV.
Well, it's not pointing at us, so I don't know.
Well, hold on. I just Jennifer grayed that shit all the way over here. Nobody puts a baby in a corner. It's a Dirty Dancing reference. Anyway. Okay.
I had the time of my life.
Aww.
It's for your birthday, so I figured I'd sing for you.
It's my birthday. That's what I'm doing on my birthday. My dog's licking their butts. Stop! Alright. It's a dangerous situation.
I'm waiting for one of the dogs to come.
Stella, are you helping Daddy paint? Are you helping Daddy paint? Go get Daddy. Good girl, Soph. Good girl. You smart dog.
Come on. Stop.
Sophie, come on. Good girl. You're a smart dog. Watch. Stella likes to lick Dad's face while he paints. She's waiting for the right moment. She knows I'm watching her. Shih Tzu life. Stella. Oh. Sophie. Sophie. Hey, sit. Soph, come here. Come here. Hey, so what have you been into? Have you been sniffing around? Hey, Sophie. Sophie. So, get over here. Sit. Okay, yeah. So I was just wondering, Soph, what have you been doing? Have you been getting into stuff or what? Huh? Been getting into stuff? How can you tell, Mama? Soph, look at Mommy.
Alright, everybody, so as you can see, we did
Wait.
a lot of work.
Look at the camera first and say, all right, everybody, and then kick up.
Yo.
And we're going to turn off the sound because the machine's loud. Oh, freezing. Oh my God, it's going to pop out.
That's what she said.
It's going to pop out. Honey, duct tape it. It'll hold it on there. Jiminy crickets. Scares me every single time. It's always out. Y'all, this is how you get pink eye.
Go lay down. Yes, it's good.
I was just giving an overview of all this, so. It's okay. The paint will fill it in, I think. Okay, yes, Sophie, I see you, you goof. Okay.
So we're painting everything, inside, outside, everything?
Yeah, I want it all painted.
Okay.
Well, what do you say?
Let's do this. Yeah! What? Whatever. Fun. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. Did you tell them about this and how we filled it in?
I told you that before we started rolling. I thought I
I
already
wasn't paying attention. So.
You were right there. You smell.
It's man smell. Alright, get serious, because
I am! Say something! Why do I always have to be the one to start?
Because you're the leader.
That's right.
And the boss. Sometimes.
Recorded.
Oh, it's on record?
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Whoa!
Oh, you're giving me a freaking headache. All right. Hey guys,
Hello.
so. All right, anyway. He's such a dink, dude. All right.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. All right.
Mom, you better stop being so dramatic about it.
Dramatic about what?
Dramatic?
Yeah.
Hi guys. Oh my god.
I'm trying to be energetic. All right.
It's a YouTube. Okay, we're done.
Hi, guys.
For everybody, we're done.
Our daughter has told
Our
us that
daughter
we're
says
too,
we can't be energetic.
we're too energetic on our
Enthusiastic,
videos,
so
so
We're gonna
just
be
gonna,
like this now.
yeah, we're just gonna turn
It's
you
done.
around to show you our piece that we made, and then we're gonna go in
It's
a dark
done.
room and hide.
That's much better.
Bye.
More.